So this is the second example problem. This is our equation. It's already balanced. So that was step one, getting something balanced, getting the equation balanced. So step two, we're gonna take what they gave us in the problem. So for HBr, they gave us 37 milliliters. We can't work in milliliters, so we have to convert it to liters. We do that by taking our decimal, moving it to the left 3 times. So I'm just gonna put this down here under HBr because it's connected with HBr. And then they gave us 0.195 for our molarity. And then I'm gonna go over here for KOH. They gave us 53.6 milliliters. Can't work in milliliters, so we're gonna move our decimal to the left 3 times. So it's 0.0536 liters. They did not give us molarity, so we're gonna put a question mark here for molarity. And then we're ready to start step 2. So step 2 is gonna use the formula molarity equals moles over liters. And we're just gonna fill it in. We're gonna use the one that gave us all the information, and it's HBr that gave us all the information. So we're gonna go ahead and just fill this into our formula. So for big M, they gave us 0.195 equal to moles, we don't know our moles, over liters, which is 0.037. Since it's being divided on the right and we want to get moles all by itself, we have to do the opposite function, which is multiply. So we're going to multiply both sides by 0.037, which allows it to cancel out on the right side, because when you multiply it by itself, it's like doing 1 over 1. When we multiply this out, we get 0.0072 moles. And we know it's HBr because those are the numbers that we used. So this is the answer for step 2. So now we're gonna move on to step 3 and we're gonna start it right here. So when we get to step 3, we're trying to get converted from HBr to KOH so that we can solve for this molarity. So we're gonna do a mole conversion. We'll put this over 1. We want HBr to be canceled out, and we want to end with KOH. So if we're trying to cancel out HBr, we know it goes on the bottom. And we're trying to go to KOH, so we know it goes on the top. And we get these numbers from our balanced equation. When there's no number there, we know it's a 1. So it's like there's a 1 in front of these. And so we're going to put a 1 for each, because HBr is 1 and KOH is 1. So then we would multiply and divide. Since these are 1s, it's not going to change anything. So our answer is still going to be 0.0072, but it allowed our HBRs to cancel out, and it left us with KOH, which is what we want. So now we're at moles of KOH. And that was our answer for number 3. So now we're gonna start step number 4 right here. So at this point, we're still using our formula, molarity equals moles over liters. We know our moles for KOH, and we know our liters for KOH. So we're looking for molarity. To do that, we're just gonna fill in this formula. So we're gonna do moles over liters because those are what we know. We know our moles. So we're gonna divide by the liters that they gave us. So 0.0536 liters. When we divide this out, we get 0.13 molarity of KOH. And that is our answer.